keep fighting with each other by tying themselves in religion, caste, community, but animals do not do so. They also have affection for other species of animals. You can say why they hunt each other again. So the simple answer is that nature has made them so. They are part of the food chain and have to do this to fulfill their stomachs. Recently, a video showing the humanity inside animal is going viral, in which a dolphin is seen helping the dog. Recently, a video showing the humanity inside animal is going viral, in which a dolphin is seen helping a dog. A video was posted on a Twitter account, and it is seen that the people are also highlighting the sense of respect for animals, showing love video. This video shows the friendship between a dolphin and a dog. Looking at the video, it cannot be clearly said that the dolphin saved the dog's life or both were just having fun, but their love is easily seen in the video. The love between dolphins and dogs. At the beginning of the video, a dolphin is seen sitting on its back. The dog is sitting quietly and the dolphin seems to be slowly taking him to the corner. As soon as they reach the corner, the dog gets down and stands in a dry place and starts drying itself. Dolphins also see him and then jump and start perform different feats. It looks like the two are calling each other to me. The dolphin is also seen taking her mouth out of the water and calling the dog. People reacted to the video, and the video has received more than 8,000 views while many people commented. This is the love between the animals. National Desk Report, My News Northeast.
Scodemy, an online learning app. Eta porha hobo hohos.
নৱমৰ পৰা দ্বাদশ শ্ৰেণীলৈকে নীট JEE APSC আৰু অন্য নিযুক্তি পৰীক্ষা সম্পূৰ্ণ পাঠ্যক্ৰম এতিয়া পাব কেৱল স্কডেমি এপত। এতিয়া পঢ়া হ'ব সহজ।